Hi guys! Another day, another vlog. So, for today's topic, dahil marami po ang nagre-request nito sa aking page at sa aking Facebook account na Mainnate Nad, for the information of all, dalawa po yung pinagpo-postan ko. Baka pumalito kayo kasi meron po akong page na NC Girl Journey at yung Facebook page or personal Facebook ko na Mainnate Nad kung saan nakikita nyo po na pinapost ko yung mga journey and teaching experiences ko dito sa New Zealand. So for today's topic, ang ating focus ay tungkol dito sa aming school hiring or vacancies. So, ito po yung laptop ko. Dito tayo mag-focus sa content natin. So, inopen ko na po yung website ng Education Gazette para po doon sa mga nagtatanong. Dito po kayo mag-a-upload ng inyong application sa nakapost po na email address ni Megan, hindi po sa akin. Ako po ay employee lamang ng Pukekohe High School at gusto ko lamang pong makatulong sa mga aspiring teachers na gusto ring magturo dito, lalo na po yung mga qualified or may provisional practicing certificate na nahihirapan po makakuha ng employer. So, kagaya po ng kinontent ko dati, pag mag-search po kayo for or mag-job hunting sa website ng Education Gazettes, of course, kailangan nyo pong i-visit yung kanilang website. Ganyan po yung itsura niya. And yung steps para po mapuntahan nyo yung vacancies is, yan po yung first step. I-click nyo yung regions and districts, of course. I-click nyo yung New Zealand. I-click nationwide para lahat ng hiring or vacancies nationwide ay lalabas. Then step 2, I click the sectors and roles. Of course, dahil secondary or high school teacher ako, I click that. It depends on nyo po kung elementary or primary ang hinahanap nyo. So, iba po yung i-click ninyo sa sector and roles. Then, next step is for you to click the learning areas and strands. So, of course, I click the New Zealand curriculum kasi may tatlo pong options na pagpipilian dyan. Kung gusto nyo yung Maori and the other one I forgot. And of course, position type. Dahil overseas tayo, syempre mostly sa atin gusto full-time. Mas maganda po yung maging full-time ka dito kaysa part-timer. And then, proceed tayo dito sa keyword or vacancy reference. Of course, I type the name of our school, Pukekohe High School. And if you want to click that icon or the suitable for beginning teachers, it's up to you din po. And then click the search button now with color blue. And then, eto na po. So, as of today, kasi kahapon, alam ko, 4 yung vacancies. At yun ang pinost ko sa page ko this morning. Pero, when I opened this today, just now, ay nakita ko na 5 na po ang vacancies ng school namin. So, this one is the recent post listed today, May 23rd, 2025, and the closing date is on June 6, 2025. So, yan po yung first and recent na posting ng school namin, which is we are looking for technology teacher for next school year 2026, and the position is full-time permanent, same with my position. And of course, required po na certificated teacher. So when we say certificated teacher, hindi ka lang po licensed teacher na may PRC. Kailangan po ay may provisional practicing certificate ka from New Zealand Teaching Council. And dapat yung major mo po ay under technology. Sa Pilipinas po, yung technology major, yan po yung TVL, TLE, Home Economics, and other related major, as long as related po siya sa technology. So later po, titingnan natin yung full details niyan, babalikan natin. Then second available position is the learning support kay Tiaki, open and close parenthesis, pastoral. It is also full-time, permanent, and kung makikita nyo po, meron siyang nakalagay na middle leadership. So, hindi po siya more on teaching lamang. Pero required din po dyan na ikaw ay may professional practicing certificate. And kahit po English, Health, and PE major ay pwede mag-apply. Or learning languages, mathematics, and statistics, science, social sciences, technology, Terreo Maori, the arts. So, in other words, kahit anong major mo po, basta nandyan po sa nabanggit ay pwede ka pong mag-apply. Kasi, iba po yung hawak mo under that role. Sa learning support po, hindi siya more on teaching. Mamaya babuksan natin yung details. And the third one is the learning support kay How-To. So, open and close parenthesis curriculum. So, same. The position is full-time or permanent. And you must also possess a middle leadership. Same with the other one, the learning support kay Tiaki. And may nakalagay po dyan na 2MU. Okay? May mga coding po kasi dito according to role. And then later bubuksan po natin yung full details. Listed po itong learning support kay Tiaki yesterday, May 22. And the closing date is May 30, 2025. So, kailangan yan this school year. And the other one, which is the learning support kay How-To, is listed last May 21st. And the closing date is same with the other one, which is May 30. And the fourth available position is PE and social studies teacher. Ito po yung pinost ko sa page and sa Facebook ko. And the position is also full-time permanent. So, required po na secondary and with certificate from New Zealand Teaching Council. And dito po, kailangan ay kaya mong ituro yung health and PE and social sciences subjects. Regardless kung junior or senior po yung klase. Kasi halo po dito, hindi ka po pwedeng mamili na gusto mo lang turuan ay junior high school or year 9 and 10 or senior. Dapat po flexible ka kung anong ibigay sa yung load. Kagaya sa akin, meron akong hawak na year 9, year 10, year 11 classes. Okay? So, posted po yan or listed last May 19 and the closing date is June 2. The last one, the fifth available position is English teacher. Pero ito po ay for next school year, same with technology. So, the position is full-time and permanent. Dapat secondary teacher with certificate from New Zealand Teaching Council. and English major, and it is posted last May 19, and the closing date is same with PE and Social Studies. Closing date is June 2, 2025. So, balikan natin yung mga full details. So, just click that. Full details. So, ganyan na po yung makikita nyo. Pag click nyo yung full details ng technology teacher. By the way, ako po ay under din ng technology teacher or technology department. Pero ang technology po ay nahati sa sub-department. So, merong hard technology and merong soft technology. Ako po ay nasa or under ng soft technology because ang hawak po namin ay more on foods. So, dito po nakalagay in this full details of this posting. So, we are seeking an enthusiastic and innovative technology teacher that can teach one or a combination of engineering, DVC, and or building to start at the beginning of Term 1, 2026. So, para po ito sa next school year. That's January. And the potential to work within our Pathways program exists with this role. A commitment to our culturally responsive practice and our vibrant co-curricular program is essential. So, yan po yung kailangan makita sa inyong CV or cover letter. Kagaya po ng tips ko doon sa aking vlog kasi may mga nagtatanong kung ano daw yung mga dapat ilagay sa CV or dapat baguhin sa ginawa nilang CV kasi yung iba daw nakaka 200 CV na tapos hindi pa rin na-hire. So yan po, dapat yung ilalagay ninyo na mga terminologies ay angkop po sa nakalagay din na postings ng school. Lalo na po sa ganitong part na ang hinahanap nila ay specifically yung may skills sa engineering, sa DVC or digital video and or building. So sa atin kasi ang building parang associated siya with carpentry kasi iba yung term po dito. Sa atin tinatawag yan ng carpentry, yung DVC parang siya yung ICT po sa atin. So ganun po. Under po yan ng technology department. And for teachers new to the profession, there is an excellent program of mentoring and guidance run by our specialist classroom teacher. So, pinagdaanan ko po yan yung mentoring ng 1 year. Kapag hindi ka pa po overseas trained teacher, halimbawa, naka 3 years or bago ka lang sa teaching, mga 2 years po yung pagdadaanan mong training dito. Pero pag more than 10 years ka na or matagal ka na sa teaching, ay kahit 1 year, as long as na-meet mo na po yung required ng school, ay pwede ka na pong mag-apply ng iyong full practicing certificate. And on how to apply, andyan po yung website or link or email address ni Megan. So, dyan nyo po isa-send at pakibasa po ng maayos na nakalagay dito na hindi lang CV and cover letter yung inyong is-send. Kasama po kasi yung application form na downloadable naman po nandyan po sa baba. So, minsan hinihingi pati yung reference number. Yan po yung vacancy reference number. So, kailangan nyo po yang ilagay kung kailangan or hinihingi isa pag submit ng application form. Okay po. So, yan po ay tungkol sa technology teacher for next year. Balikan naman natin yung another position, which is learning support kay Tiaki, pastoral and learning support kay How-To curriculum. So, yung kay Tiaki po, yan po yung ma-reward for deans. Kasi bawat year level po dito ay may 2 deans, pero nagtuturo rin po sila. Kumbaga may separate lang silang nare-receive na salary dahil mas marami silang ginagampanang role. So for the full details of this, so learning support kay Tiaki, which is all about attending or checking all the pastoral of the students. So yan po yung kailangan yung taglayin na qualifications. So, nakalagay po dito, we are seeking somebody to fulfill a new pastoral leadership role in our learning support department. The department caters for approximately 60 students across all year levels with dedicated classes and curriculum programs at each year level designed to support our lower level learners. So, baka po napapaisip kayo ano yung ibig sabihin nitong learning support. Tapos bakit halos pares siya doon sa isang hiring or vacancy position din. Ang term po kasi na learning support, yan yung ginagamit dito sa New Zealand doon sa mga batang or estudyanteng may disability or lower level learners. Kung sa atin, ito yung mga SPED or with special needs na students, pero iba po yung terminologies dito. Learning support po yung tawag. So, the role entails oversight for all pastoral care responsibilities for students within the learning support department. This includes linking with outside agencies and our team of learning support coordinators to provide support for students. So, ikaw yung dean ng mga kids with learning support or with special needs, tapos meron pang mga coordinators or learning support teacher aid na iyong makakasalamuha or under your role. So medyo mabigat po yung responsibility na to. Tapos may mga ka-tie up din ng mga agencies, outside the school and other team. So, mayroong nakalagay dito na 15 hours of contact teaching time within the learning support department is part of the responsibility with this role. So, ang starting date po nito ay July 14, 2025 or later by negotiation. Depende po kung magkaroon ng changes. So, may 15 hours po kayong contact teaching. Okay? So, hindi lang kayo nakafocus doon sa office kasi magtuturo rin po kayo. Then, eto naman yung learning support kay How-To. So, eto yung curriculum. Mas mataas yung role niya kaysa doon sa kay Tiaki. So, on this, we are seeking somebody to provide oversight to curriculum development in our learning support department. The learning support department caters for approximately 60 students across all levels with dedicated classes and curriculum programs at each year level designed to support our level or lower level learners. So, dapat meron kang leadership skills kasi po under you ang mga curriculum coordinator, under you ang kay Tiyaki, ang mga teacher aides, at yung mga SAC or special assessment condition students. So, meron pong ibang aspect ikaw na aaralin. And also, nakalagay dito na 15 hours of contact teaching time within the learning support department is part of the responsibility with this role. So, same with the learning support kay Tiyaki, meron po kayong turo na 15 hours a week. And dito po sa full details ng PE and Social Studies, ito po ay for this school year. So, nakalagay dyan na we are seeking a permanent full-time teacher who could ideally teach across the PE and Social Studies department. So, the applicant will need to detail experience in both of these areas. So, dapat kaya yung ituro both subjects. The ideal start date would be from Monday, July 14. So, malapit na po. And the last position is the English. This is for 2026. Tingnan natin yung full details niya. So, for English teacher for next year, so sabi dito, we are seeking a teacher who has good pedagogical and curriculum knowledge, strong classroom management skills, and is passionate about helping students learn. This position is suitable for both beginning teachers and those with experience. For teachers new to the profession, there is an excellent program of mentoring and guidance run by our wonderful specialist classroom teacher. So, yan po yung para sa English. And para po yan next year. So, again, lagi pong nakalagay dito sa lahat ng 5 positions na hindi lang CV and cover letter ay yung kailangan nyong isubmit. And yan lang po kayo sa email address ni Megan McAuley mag-send ng inyong application. So, nandyan po yung application form. Hindi po kayo ang gagawa ng inyong application letter. May application form po na downloadable, yung color blue. Tapos, pipil upan mo po yan at isasubmit mo together with your CV and cover letter. So, again, sa mga nagtatanong kung ano yung mga tips, ano yung mga dapat nilang baguhin sa kanilang CV, ang masasabi ko lang po ay check the terminologies na inyong inilalagay. Dapat tama or tugma sa job description or details na nakapost po sa Education Gazette. Kasi kung ibang terms or terminologies po yung mga nilalagay ninyo tapos hindi naman alam dito kung ano yung kahulugan nun, dapat po kayo ang magre-revise ng CV ninyo. Ibabagay ninyo kung ano yung hinahanap na qualifications. Kung kayo ay merong ganon, then just edit or revise your CV according sa requirement na hinahanap. So, yung lamang po for today, medyo mahaba na po ang aking vlog. Pasensya na po kung nagkakamali ako at yung boses ko ay ganito talaga. Namamalat na ako at sobrang lamig po dito sa New Zealand dahil winter is coming. And I'm not feeling well also. So, thank you po sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga new followers ko po. Salamat po and sana nakatulong sa inyo ang aking content today. Again, These are all from Education Gazette website. Yan lang po yung inyong pupuntahan or hahanapin kapag kayo po ay nasa stage na ng job hunting. Ibig pong sabihin, hindi po kayo mag-job hunting kung wala pa kayong SCQA, kung wala pa kayong English test, at wala pa kayong Professional Practicing Certificate from New Zealand Teaching Council. Yun lamang po. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to like and share para po mas marami pang matulungang kababayan nating teacher na gusto ring magturo dito sa New Zealand. This is Teacher May, ang Bicolanang teacher dito sa New Zealand. Thank you.